A USB budget gaming headset with a mic? Welcome back to Open the Box. Today we have the Onikuma K20 professional gaming headset. So if you want to game like, as they say, game like one possessed, then you should get this product. Possessed link and coupon in the description as always. Now let's go ahead and open the box. So interesting so far, the unboxing experience is just a box. You got your manual in here that we don't really need to read. Put that to the side, and it's wrapped in a very interesting manner here. Just bubble wrap. I guess that makes sense, so this is a budget pair, so why have to charge you more for better packaging? Nice. You see, it's a pretty basic set of headphones. But if you're on a budget and don't want to break the bank too much, you'll be able to hear audio and talk to your team with decent audio and mic quality. As you can see, you can adjust the head size here, and there's cushioning on the top and sides. Personally, I have worn these for a couple of 4-hour sittings at a time, and so far I don't feel any pain in my head or ears whatsoever. That's something you always want to look out for when you get a new headset for extended periods of time. The mic right here, you can easily stretch it to fit where your mouth is, so you're not blowing everyone's eardrums out, and sound quality wise, these are fairly decent for the price. This is a microphone test of the headset mic. Alright gamers, we have to get to the base and take down the enemy. Pew pew. These are good for gaming, watching videos, Zoom meetings, etc. On multiple consoles such as PS4s, Xboxes, PCs, and everything else you game on. Now, there is a nice, long, durable, and shielded wire here, a built-in mute switch for emergencies, and a volume lever. These headphones are USB powered, but sadly that is only for running the USB LED lights on the side. On the other end, there is an adapter that comes with this headset, so if you want to plug the headset into your phone, you can use this. But if you want to plug it into your computer and you have a separate audio and mic jack, then you can go ahead and use this. Now, there you have it. Don't forget to use a link in the description right now to claim your coupon code for this product, and you can apply that to your purchase whenever you need it. Don't forget to like this video if you like this headset. Leave a comment down below with any questions you have, and I will answer them as fast as I can. And thank you for watching. Subscribe for more ballin' on a budget tech reviews from Open the Box.